Want to start a business in Malaysia? Here are 10 business ideas in Malaysia that works great. With slowly live example, let's get started and please subscribe to this channel. 1. Home-based food business. Aisha loves cooking traditional Malaysian dishes. She started selling homemade nasi, lemak and kuih from her home. She posted pictures online and soon others started coming in. Now she runs a full-time home-based food business. 2. Bubble tea shop. Malaysia loves bubble tea. Danny saw this trending and opened a small bubble tea shop. He started with just 5 flavors, but as demand grew, he had more. Now his shop is always packed with customers. 3. E-commerce stores selling local products online. Farming noticed that Malaysian handcraft were popular with tourists. He started an online store where selling batik clothes, ragtag bags, and handmade accessories. Now he ships products across Malaysia and even overseas. 4. Mobile car wash business. Adam saw that people are too busy to visit car wash, so he started a mobile car wash business that cleaned the car at customers' homes. His service became so popular that he had to hire 2 more workers. 5. Digital marketing agency. City noticed that small businesses struggle to get customers online. He started a digital marketing agency helping shops run Facebook and Instagram ads. 1 restaurant doubled its sales after using our service. 6. Home-based baking business. Lisa always loved baking. She started selling custom cake and cupcake from home. She promotes her cake on Instagram and now she gets orders every day for birthday and wedding. 7. Private tuition and online tutoring. Mr. Wong was a retired teacher who wanted to keep helping students. He started private tuition and later expanded to online tutoring. Now he's teaching students from all over Malaysia. 8. Eco-friendly product business. Aisha wanted to reduce plastic waste, so she started selling eco-friendly products like reusable straws and bamboo toothbrushes. Many customers love the idea and her business grew fast. Now delivering an errand service. Rashid saw that people needed help with small errands like grocery shopping, parcel delivery. He started an errand service helping busy professionals. Now he has a team of riders and make good money every month. 10. Cafe and co-working space. Many freelancers and remote workers in Malaysia need a place to work. Brian opened a cozy cafe with free Wi-Fi and comfortable seating. His cafe became a favorite spot for students and digital gurus. Starting a business in Malaysia is easier than you think. Whether it's food, online stores, or service, there are many opportunities to grow. Which business idea do you like most? Let us know in the comment section. Do not forget to like and share and subscribe.